Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Emily and I love playing with makeup and all things beauty. And today we are opening April BOXYCHARM. That's right, we've got the April BOXYCHARM base box here and we're gonna look inside and see what I got. So if you are interested in seeing what BOXYCHARM had in store for me this April, please keep on watching. We are going to dive right into the box because not only do I have goodies from the box, but I have a special surprise at the end, so stay tuned. So the first item I am seeing in the box here is the Natasha Denona palette. Now this was part of the spoilers. We knew that there were two palettes that were curated especially for BOXYCHARM by Natasha Denona. These are not new palettes. They are existing shades taken from other larger palettes and put together in a 5-pan palette setup for BOXYCHARM. I actually am a huge fan of this because I don't own a lot of Natasha Denona, but I love the formula. So it's a great way for me to sort of expand the shades that I do have without spending a fortune. The one that I received is the Jubilee palette. Now the Jubilee palette is a little more colorful. It's the colorful option that was available this month. There was a neutral one as well. So I'm actually really excited that I got the colorful one because I have Biba, so I have a lot of the neutral shades that came in the neutral one. So I am actually really excited about this. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. So these are the colors all swatched out. And if you can see there, I only had trouble with one shade, which is this pink shade right here. It didn't have the same creaminess or opacity near the end. I had a little trouble with it, but the other shades all swatched beautifully. And it looked like a black in the pan, but it is definitely a dark blue. And I'm really excited to dig into this palette and give it a try. So I've got my little card here, and we are going to read off the card what it says about this palette. A special edition palette created exclusively for BOXYCHARM featuring 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha's iconic buttery smooth formulas made with the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals, and luminous pearls. Use it for a variety of creations, from playful, colorful, modern looks to everyday wear with a pop of color. Suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. And this is the Jubilee palette. That's what they're calling it, Jubilee. And it retails for $48. So already more than the value of the box. So the next item I see in the box is the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. So let us open this up and see what it looks like. So this is what the package looks like. It's a very cool sort of frosted pink package. Very nice. Let's open it up and see what we're working with. So right off the bat, the first thing I notice is the fragrance. This is heavily fragranced. It's very floral. I don't know how big of a fan I am of that. I am somewhat sensitive to floral fragrances. Hopefully it doesn't last long on the skin once applied. This is a very interesting texture. It is gel-like, but also moussey. It's like a moussey gel. It's like gel. I don't know how to describe it, but as I'm working it into my fingers, it's almost dissolving or liquefying. It is liquefying. Yeah, very floral. I am excited to try this. I don't know anything about it, so we're going to read the card and see what BOXYCHARM says. So the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Icy Sherbet Primer. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone-free, with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth, and it retails for $32. So I'm really excited to try this out. I will let you guys know in an update whether or not I like it. Obviously, I already have my makeup done today, so I'm not going to put it on now. I actually heard a fellow creator, Melanie Goslin, talking about this recently and how much she loved it, so I am really excited to give it a try. So the next item in my box is the Dragon Beauty Color Corrector. Okay, and I got the lavender shade. So let's open this up. So this is what the component looks like. And it is lavender. It is a very pale lavender. So of course lavender, if you're talking about color theory, lavender counteracts yellow, or purple, counteracts yellow. So it's going to sort of neutralize any sallowness or dullness in more olive tone skin, which I do have. I do have olive tone, sort of warm undertones. So see, I've never really used a color corrector for that particular purpose. I've obviously used color correctors under my eyes to counteract the dark circles, but never a lavender one to counteract sallowness. So I wonder with my skin tone, if I used it under my eyes, if it would brighten them up even more. But the consistency, it definitely dries to a powder finish. It's very powdery on my hand. It feels all right. It feels all right. I will give it a try and let you guys know what I think about it. But the card says, Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire Color Corrector. I mean, come on. I love dragons, but we're taking it a bit far. Anywho, Dragonfire Color Corrector helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles. Only if they have yellow in them. Discoloration and blemishes. Saturated with vitamin E. Oh good. Vitamin A. It blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage to make your makeup look even more flawless. Apply it anywhere you'd like to correct and neutralize and blend with a flat concealer flat concealer brush or beauty sponge. After it sets, apply foundation as normal. So I will definitely give this a try and let you guys know if I like it. I don't know. I've never really thought to myself, oh, I'm really missing a lavender color corrector in my routine. But you never know. I might give it a whirl and be like, all right, this is me leveling up. But I'm willing to give it a whirl. Anyway, the retail value on that is $25. All right. It definitely brightened up my hand. Like absolutely brightened up my hand. The next item in the box is the Terra de Mars Maison de Cosmétique au Naturel Radition Body Cleanser. Oh, so it's a body wash. So we're getting body wash in our box this month. Okay. I can't get it open. Okay, it doesn't screw off. Ooh, okay. Very green. It's got a very green fragrance. Fresh. I smell a citrus or like a verbena citrus kind of mixture. I love fancy body washes. I'm a big fan. Let's see what it says about this. I can't read the back of the bottle. I don't have my glasses on. So we're going to read the card. An organic, low foaming. Oh, I like the bubbles though. I'm a big fan of the bubbles. Aromatic and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts, infusion with verbena oil. That's what I was smelling. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. Retail value $22. That's a pricey body wash for how much you're getting. That is 150 mils. $22 is kind of expensive for that, and that's US dollars. So I will absolutely use it. I love body wash. I do like it when they foam though, but I know that foaming cleansers can be a little more stripping to the skin, and I am having some issues with dry patches right now. As the season is changing, I've got much drier skin than I normally do, which is strange. I noticed it first when I did my first self-tan of the season. I had sort of an orange circle right here. I'm like, oh, I have a dry patch there. Must take care of that. So maybe a low foaming body cleanser is what I need. I do like the fragrance. I like the smell of verbena, and that rosemary, I believe, was the other ingredient. 2 cents I do enjoy. So I will definitely give it a try and get back to you guys whether or not I think it's worth $22. I don't. I haven't even used it yet, and I can tell you I don't. So unless it's going to like erase the cellulite off my ass, it's not worth $22, but it's probably going to be a really nice body cleanser, and I will let you know. So the last thing in the box is this, and it appears to be an eyeliner. So Intensely Precise Eyeliner in Espresso. It's water-based coffee eyeliner. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it just because of the way my lighting is today. I'm in natural light. It is a very, very deep brown. Let's see here. Felt tip. It's precise. It draws precise lines, but I don't know if you can see that. It's not fully opaque across all of the lines. There's definitely some spots where it's less opaque in the line, but I did like how easily it drew. I don't actually own a brown liquid liner, so this is an addition to my collection, so that's good. What does it say about this? This is the Aurora Eyeliner Pen. If you've been looking for a long-lasting smudge-proof eyeliner, then look no further. Okay, BOXYCHARM. The Aurora Intensively Precise Eyeliner in Espresso gives you an all-natural matte finish that lasts up to 24 hours. Made with German ink technology to ensure a flawless finish with an ultra-fine felt tip. The natural ink formula is 100% free of alcohol, yay, and won't smudge. This gorgeous liner provides a smooth and luminous look for any occasion, safe for sensitive eyes. So it says a luminous look, but then it says it's matte. So I'm a little confused there. Let's see what happens when it dries down. I actually do see the luminosity. I actually do see it has a little bit of a shine to it, but let's test the smudge proofness of it. Ah, pretty good. Those lines aren't going anywhere. They are pretty smudge proof. All right, I'm excited to try that. So altogether, the items in my box retail for $128.99 because this little guy was $11.99. So not a bad price. That's basically up here in Canada, that is drugstore liner cost. So $128.99 is the total value of the items in my box. And of course, I only paid $25 for it. I am actually really happy with this box. I think I'll get use out of most of these things. I'm not sure about the color corrector, but I know I'll use the Natasha Denona palette. I know I'll use the body wash. I know I'll use the primer, depending on whether or not the fragrance bothers me, but I don't smell it on my hands anymore after applying it to my fingers to see what the texture was like, so that's good. Seems like the fragrance dissipates. However, so this is what I was talking about last month in my BOXYCHARM video, is that the boxes are good. The boxes are great sometimes. Sometimes they're a disappointment. However, my favorite part of BOXYCHARM is the add-on store. So this is where I can refill things and try new things that are higher end that I can't afford normally, or I'm not sure I want to invest yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to like them, or restock items that are definitely outside of my price range, but that I've kind of fallen in love with because I got them in my box. I am going to show you what I got in the add-on store this month. Several months ago, I got in my box the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment, and I fell in love with it. But on the Sephora Canada website, that shit is like over $100. So I was like, well, I'm not going to repurchase it because I love skincare, but I also like to have some variety. So I'm not really looking to invest $100 into one particular skincare product, especially since I love it so much. I use it relatively regularly, like probably once a week, and I go through it. However, it was in the add-on store this month, so I got two because they were $12. So yeah, this is what BOXYCHARM is all about for me, is being able to refill these items that I have fallen in love with through BOXYCHARM, but maybe couldn't afford normally or didn't want to shell out the coin for it normally, get it in the add-on store. So big fan. So excited to have backups of these, especially since I'm completely out of the first one I had. This is what the bottle looks like. It's just very plain, very classic Kate Somerville. The other thing that I picked up, because I've heard rave reviews about it, and I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. I mean, everything I heard about it was glowing review, was the Pharmacy BHA toner. So this is the Deep Sweep 2% BHA pore cleaning toner with moringa and papaya. So I'm super psyched to try this out. And again, way below retail value you pay for these items in the pop-up or add-on store. So super excited to try this. The other thing I picked up is from Beauty Bakery. So this is a brand I have not tried yet. And of course, I can't actually say that I've tried the brand after this either because it's not a makeup product. But I got the egg carton full of sponges. I thought this was the cutest thing ever. So there's 6 sponges in here. I believe I paid $8 for the 6 sponges in here. And how cute is this? It's an egg carton. Oh, it even has like the actual egg carton opening, guys. And there you go. Inside you've got the 6 sponges. So I am super excited. I've heard great things about these sponges. I love that I was able to get them at such a discount. The pink ones seem a bit firmer than the green ones. So there are 2 different types of sponges. Such a great deal. Like such a great deal. So excited. The last thing I got was because I needed it. And BOXYCHARM does have these items in their add-on and pop-up store often. And because it's not just makeup and skincare that you get in the store. But I got this, and I think this is so cute. So this is a makeup brush holder. So currently I have been using like old glass candles that I cleaned out to store my makeup brushes in, but I wanted something a little nicer to put on my desk, and this looked perfect. It's just got the 3 compartments so you could sort of separate your brushes a little better than what I do now, which is kind of shoving them all in one old candle. It's got the design on it. It's acrylic. It feels like a plastic acrylic. Yeah, it was maybe $6. Like, it was really, really inexpensive. So I am super psyched to have this. So those are the items I picked up in the add-on store this month. And I'm telling you guys, if you weren't sure about whether or not you wanted to try BOXYCHARM because sometimes the boxes look like crap, I say do it, because you may find some hidden gems and some things that you've been sort of eyeing and lusting over for months in the add-on store, and you get such a great deal on them. I can't, like, that for me is why I haven't canceled my box after like crap boxes or a string of crap boxes, is because I always get the things I want in the add-on store. So it's a win-win for me. Like, you can't really go wrong. I don't think so. It's a personal opinion, but I think it's awesome. I think it's awesome that I can get $100 products for less than 20. Like, that's so awesome. So anyway, that is my video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out so much with engagement to help YouTube push me out into the universe so that other people can see my videos. If you aren't a member of the family, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and then you can see me more often when I post my videos. And I hope you do. I'd love to have you join the fam. Otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day. Stay safe, be healthy, and wash your damn hands. Bye.